In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy more credits on HeyGen. So if you want to check out HeyGen for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out from there completely free of charge. So to actually go ahead and buy more credits on HeyGen if you ran out, first you'll have to upgrade to a plan. So for example, you can go to the bottom over here, and in the bottom left, you can see your current plan. You can click on that and it's going to show you all the plans and basically how many credits and stuff like that you get. So we have the individual and then the business as well. However, if you, for example, ran out on any of these plans again, you can also buy add-ons to actually get more. So if you're currently on any of those plans, you could go and click at the bottom left here where it says you can see your account. You can click on the settings, and from here under plan and billing, you'll see your plan, and then here it says buy add-ons. So when you click on that, it's going to take you inside the add-ons you can purchase, and those add-ons are usually like premium credits packs, which give you more credits. Okay, so for me, I don't have a plan right now, so it's not showing them, but for you, you'll be able to see them and purchase them from within here. Now, if you are talking about API plans, as you can see here, it's going to say looking for API plans. You can do that as well. You can use the pay as you go, or you can use the enterprise by contacting sales over here. But essentially how you do this is, again, inside your settings, you can go to the left here and click on API. And then from here, if you go to billing, you can go ahead and add your card and then add your funds on like this. And that way get more credits for your API calls. Okay, that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.